Hey folks, this is going to be a quick video tutorial on how to put this rolling cart together. I got it from Walmart for $32. Yay! It came with the manual and all you need is a 12mm wrench. Came with bolts, washers, and 4 wheels. These wheels are not slanted, so there's no right way to put them, so either way it will come out right, so that is a good news. Once you put the washers and the bolts together, try to use your hand to tighten them as much as possible, and then use the wrench to tighten them. Do not over tighten them. And I found an extra one. I do not know where it came from. Hopefully I don't need it, but I'll save it. Time to turn it over. Please use caution when you do that. Also, when you use them, it has some pinch points, so be careful. There's a bar, press it to remove it, and we press it again to fold it. I'm going to take it to my garage and store it there. Yay! Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.